Hey, we just want to let y'all know what's going on. Give y'all these updates.
Hey, hold on. Before we get into the video, bro, I wanted to say thank you to one of our day one subscribers, Candy. We appreciate you. We just wanted to say thank you for supporting us from day one and still rocking with you. So thank you. We appreciate
Thank you,
that.
thank you, thank you. We appreciate you.
Yeah, from the Sneakerhead Bros. Thank you for that. But go ahead, my bro. My apologies.
If you want to get a shout out like this, hey, leave a comment.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, so I went on the sneaker app today to see if there was any updates. Jordan did us dirty.
Hold on, hold on,
Ain't
hold
no
on, hold on.
updates.
Hold on. Still no update?
No updates to that.
No updates for Father's Day? But hey, you know who came through though.
Who
You
did?
know, you know who came through for us on Father's Day.
Kanye West.
Yes, sir. He came
Special
through.
K.
Hey, that's what we know him as. Trust and believe there's a method to his madness. So
Yeah.
when he dropped a few weeks ago, hey, it was all for the fathers. It was
Yes,
all
sir.
for Father's Day.
Yes,
What you
sir.
got?
All for the fathers. All for the fathers.
Yes, sir. Yes,
No, I
sir.
think I copped about every Yeezy they dropped on that day.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Still
Hey,
coming in.
he came through for Father's Day. He came
Yes,
through.
sir.
Yeah, in the
Kanye
sneaker.
West came through for
Hey,
Father's Day.
salute.
Yes,
Came
sir.
through on Father's
Yes,
Day.
sir.
What else you got for us?
So we're talking about this Yeezy Day drop, aka Father's Day, early Father's Day. Let's go
Yeah,
ahead and unbox something for y'all.
yes, sir. He came through for the
Now,
fathers.
I can't say like which one is it because I don't know. I got on like 5 different pairs, but we'll see. Y'all gonna be witness to it on camera just like I am live.
Unboxing. Appreciate you, Yeezy. Appreciate you. Yes, sir.
Unboxing. What do we got?
Uh-oh. Drum roll.
Foam runner.
Ooh. Yes, sir. What
What
you
we
got,
got?
buddy? Oh,
Here it is. The
what's
MX
that?
Foam Runner Azure, my first one.
Yes,
On
sir.
feet coming soon.
Yes, sir. Nice. My man.
Bring them out.
Mm.
Thanks, Kanye. Appreciate you. It's what I wanted for Father's Day. Fresh pair of foam runners.
Hey, hey. Yeezy came through on Father's Day. My man.
Yes, sir.
My man. Brother, listen, if you like content like this, hey, check out this video.
And like we say in For Sure Family, when you're blessed,
Bless others. Peace.